Welcome to VI Tech Explore, a channel dedicated to making the world of technology accessible to the visually challenged community. I'm your host, and I'm passionate about empowering individuals with visual impairments to embrace the latest innovations and digital advancements. Join me as we explore cutting-edge assistive technologies and adaptive software that empower the visually challenged community to navigate the digital world with confidence. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a low-vision user, or simply seeking to understand the unique experiences of our community, VI Tech Explore is here to guide you. Subscribe now and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our upcoming content. Together, let's navigate the digital world with confidence and limitless possibilities.
Hello VI Tech Explore, dear subscribers. So today, welcome again with another tutorial and with another video. So in this video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to install your WhatsApp app on your mobile phone. I will explain these steps through verbal, not through demonstration. I will not do a demonstration because I already installed the WhatsApp and do the proper things. So if I do it again, I'm afraid that it will cause lost my data. So I wouldn't want to take that kind of risk, so that I will guide you step by step on how to install WhatsApp. So let's begin. Alright, the first step, what you need to do is if you are using Android mobile, you need to go to the Google Play Store and search for the WhatsApp app. There you will find WhatsApp Messenger, so you need to install it. However, for iPhone users, you need to go for your App Store and do the same. Second step, after it's done, already installed, after you install it, after the installation process complete, you need to open the WhatsApp and then you need to give some permissions. And then you need to enter your mobile number. After that, you need to wait for the verifying. You will receive a code. Sometime the WhatsApp will enter the code automatically. So you need to allow some permissions. And next, you need to choose your profile photo. If you want to do it later, also can skip it. After that, you need to enter your name, whatever name that you want to use for your WhatsApp profile. And you also can change it later. And next, and it's done. But remember, when you first time install your WhatsApp, definitely it will look empty. You need to start your chat while chatting with others, or create a group, and etc. Hope this tutorial helpful. We'll see you in the next tutorial on upcoming WhatsApp tips and updates. If you like this tutorial, do like, share and subscribe. Give your comment and suggestions at the comment box. See you soon. Thank you. Have a good day.